how to fix filters not available on Instagram problem. So if you want to fix filters not available on your Instagram problem, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your control center from the top. And if you have turned on your Wi-Fi, and if it's not working, then you can switch to your mobile data. Or if you're using your mobile data, then you can switch to your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Because of the internet connection, you won't be able to see the filters. Once you're done with the internet connection, now you need to go with your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the Instagram application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. You can tap on open, and after opening, you will find your filters. But if you still don't find your filters, then you can just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.